Do you have an Xbox gift card but you don't know how to use it? Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of kids get excited when they get a new gift card, but then it feels stuck when it's time to use it. So you might be wondering, where do I put the code? What can I buy? Let's fix that right now. So first you're going to grab your Xbox gift card and you're going to turn it over. You're going to see a code under a silver strip. Scratch it off gently. Now, turn on your Xbox and go to the Microsoft Store. This is the place where you buy games, movies, and cool things for your Xbox. Next, you're going to go to the section that says Redeem. Type in your code carefully. Once it works, the money will show up in your Xbox account. All right? So now you can use it to basically buy games like Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite V-Bucks, or you can also get new skins, new maps, or even game passes. So don't let that card sit in a drawer. Use it today and have fun with your favorite games, all right? It's that easy now. Listen, if this did help you out, give me a thumbs up, comment your favorite game, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips like this. See you soon. Thanks for being here. God bless you. God bless your family. Ciao. See you soon. Bye.